What's good, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I got another unique way for you to make money online. Now, you might get a laugh out of it because it sounds a little bit silly, but I can assure you, you can make a decent amount of income with this. You can set your own price, you can set your own hours, and again, it's a pretty simple concept, and it's not going to take a lot of work. In fact, you can do things that you already naturally do in the real world. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump into my computer so I can show you this very unique and pretty humorous way to make money.
But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it.
Alright, guys, so the name of this site is Rent a Friend. Yeah, that's right, Rent a Friend. You can make money online being someone's friend for the day. Pretty silly, right? To be completely honest, I would have thought that this website would have vanished a long time ago with how prominent uh, social media is nowadays. You can use Facebook and Instagram and Twitter to do meetups and hangouts and stuff like that. But lo and behold, this website is still around. And it's been updated for 2020. So this thing is still very active. Okay. Now, you've got tons of things that you can do with people, phone, chat. You can actually do physical activities, you know. There's just so many things you can do because people are looking for particular things. They're looking for friends and for a certain, or people to be at certain events so that they're not lonely and things like that. And um, you can get in on these activities if it's something that you already do, or if you're looking to get out and socialize with people. This is a great way to socialize and make money on the side. Now, the way this site works is people sign up for a membership, right? It's $10 a month for them, all right? And then they can get in contact with you. Now, any money that you make on this website is all yours. You make 100% of that money because the website themselves, they make money off of the membership. So, you can make as much as you want. You set the price and you set the hours. So, if you go up here where it says join now and you click on that, it's going to ask you, do you want to become a member or do you want to become a friend? Since you're looking to make money with this, you're going to go ahead and choose become a friend and hit sign up, and choose how you want to sign up. All right. So then they give you a little explanation of how it works. All right. Earn up to $50 per hour plus free meals, free concerts, free sporting events, and more. Okay. See, the way this works is, again, these people may want you to temporarily be a friend for them for a few hours, and they're going to provide whatever the event is. If it's a wedding, if it's a sporting event, okay, a graduation, whatever the case may be, all right, they'll hire you to be their temporary friend for a few hours, just so they're not alone. Just like I mentioned a few minutes ago, all right. So, like I said, if I scroll down, right, you get a good idea of how much you can charge. All right. So here, if you were to do a part time, say you charge $20 an hour, all right, that's $480 a week, and up to $23,000 a year. All right. If you did uh, $50 an hour, $1,200 a week, and $57,000 a year. That's not bad at all. Okay. And that's if that's if you're doing it part time. So that's like 4 hours a day maybe. And then if you were doing it full time, right? Like a full 8 hours or whatever, being with this person all day long, you can make up damn near close to $100,000 a year with this. Okay. So This is it's really it's pretty different when it comes to how to make money, okay? Like I said, there's really people out here who are looking for friends to hang out with or converse with or have fun with, and they probably have a hard time uh finding friends out in the real world, so they're willing to pay somebody for it. Okay? So this is a really cool and unique way for you to make money. All right? Now, where is this available? Let's go back to the home page and I want to show you something. Okay? We go down to the FAQ, go down. Go down to the FAQ. And what countries is Rent-A-Friend available? Rent-A-Friend is available worldwide. Oh, sorry about that. I got a phone call. Forgot to put this in do not disturb. Stupid me. But anyway, it's available worldwide, like I was just saying. So, anybody in the world can do this. Okay, you can be a friend to somebody wherever you are in the world. Okay, you can do physical things, or you can do phone or online chat. The options are there, and you can make some really good money with this. Okay, so again, the name of the website is rentafriend.com, and if this sounds interesting to you, I would highly suggest you go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, so that's all I got for today's video. If you found it useful, please hit that like button and share this out with anybody who you think might find this video useful. Subscribe to the channel. And also guys, there's a link in the description box below. That's my #1 recommended way to make money online. This is what I use to make money online, and if you're interested in that, you can check that out below. Thanks for watching guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care.